for the girls, Lily, Library, and Ira. Please stand up, girls. For the best ones, and up for the boys, CJ, Asen, and Ian. So, boys, ang tinawag natin. Hi! Hi, ladies! Ira! Hi, Ira! Wow! Okay, sa mga boys naman, CJ, Ason, and Ian. Please stand up. Kasabay ba tinawag? Hi, ladies! Let's go! And I believe ready na yung ating video, correct? Ready na? From Agape Fields, we're good. Let's go, boys. Okay. So now, ladies and gentlemen, kayo na pili natin couple tonight. Alright. Ngayon, pumunta lahat sa gilid. Go! On the side. Alright. So now, Julie and Neil, kayo ang magbibigay ng grado sa ating mga performers for the best dress. So each one of them ay narampa dito sa ating entablado. Pag ginagawa ko po ang pangalan, all you need to do is to ramp and model your outfits. Okay? DJ, let's have some music of our ramp modeling. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's start off with our candidate number 1 for the female category. Let's have Lily! Our peer, or candidate number 1 for her best attack. Lily. Wow. Wow! Next song is leading us on our candidate number 2. Library! Ay, wow! May parte ka na soul. And now, final candidate, Ira! Now for the final of one, let's have Lily, Library, Ira, CJ, Ace, and Ian. Woo! Alright. Hello guys. That was such a great show. So now into the first two. Announce the winner for the best dress for the male category. Ang nanalo for our male category, I see! Congratulations! Still, pinakita mo ang liwanag ng buhay. Congratulations still! Ason! Gusto mo na isa ko? Alright! Sa totoo lang po ngayon daw po hindi yung ulit kayo. Bisita natin ang araw mga kaibigan. Isang sabi ng ating group ha, hindi ako. Alright now, wala pa sinabi. Hindi ko rin gawin. Alright, for the female. Ang nanalo, for the female. C. Congratulations, C. Lily! Lily, nasa mo tayo sa sila? Congratulations. Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Can you give the prize to our winners? Okay, couple picture tayo sa our winners. Wow! Hashtag shot puno. Alright, good. There you go. Talaga naman best dress ang outfit ng dalawa. Congratulations, Jason and Lily. Woo! Smile. Alright, now. Alright, tapos rin na lang kayo dyan. Eto na, the winner for the best dancer. Ang best dancer po, ako po mismo ang pumili. Dahil syempre ako po ang nagpasayaw ngayong gabi. Ang best dancer for tonight is... Congratulations to you. Elias Mendoza! Wow, best dancer! Let's go, sir! Mapagaling na kayo na. So, hey! Let's go, sir! Woo! Let's go! Sa gitna! Alright! Okay, wow! Sayo! Alright, can you give the prize? There you go, congratulations. Our best dancer, sir, congratulations. Napakagaling mo. Picture ka muna, sir. Picture muna. Binabar ka pa. Go, go, go. Okay, at papatunayan ng sound best dancer tonight. Let's go, sir, sa gitna ka. DJ Music! Woo! Sayaw! Woo! That's it. Ano ba best dancer na best dancer? Thank you so much, sir. Salamat, congratulations. Okay. Nakakapal, muna tayo sa gitna. Alright. Guys, the projector. This is about time for us to watch the very special videos and before we have the final segment, the raffle. Alright. Okay. So now for this part, Judy and Neil, we have 3 videos tonight. Okay? The AVP, the Symphony video, and the STP. Tatlo. Wow. Ganito, ganito. Okay. Let's give it our DJ to be ready for our video. So for the meantime, of course, mga kaibigan, after this, we'll now be doing the raffle tonight. Sino ba yung mga mananalo ngayong gabi ito? Woo! Alright, sa mga nag-stay po, deserve po rin yung manalo. Remind ko lang po, pag tinawag namin at wala po yung tao mismo, doon sa ating raffle, I'm so sorry, bubulot po tayo ng iba